These clappers were made from an old cherry tree. I had them make 50 pairs of clappers from the tree, and from those 50 I chose just one pair. You put oil on them, camellia oil. Let them sit for several weeks in a dark place, and then do it again. That's how you get this beautiful color that looks as though you've lacquered them. You also get a really nice sound. As for striking the clappers together, well, there's a cord wrapped around here. It's not wrapped this way for no reason. You splay them like this, and then strike them together. For a really nice sound, 3 parts of the strength goes to your left hand, and 7 to your right. Here we go.
Buzz Lightyear! The world's greatest superhero, now the world's greatest toy! Buzz has it all! Blocking wrist communicator!
Calling Buzz Lightyear!
Karate chop action!
Wow!
Pulsating laser light!
Oh, annihilate!
Multi-phase voice simulator!
It's a secret mission in uncharted space.
And best of all, high-pressure space wings!
To infinity and beyond!
Not a flying toy.
Get your Buzz Lightyear action figure and save a galaxy near you! Buzz Lightyear!
Available at all Al's Toy Bound outlets in the Tri-County area.